In today's age, we look at the world through a microscope, through scandals and headlines that are used against us to produce an emotional response to hard questions and harder answers. This has been true for every generation, really, from the start of the printing press till now, maybe even the start of written language itself. We now face a more difficult time with seeing each other way less than before, and the only way that we view each other is through texts and videos that are, if not consciously subjective, objectively are. In a world as rich in diversity as ours, it's very easy to get lost in the tapestry of differences and forget how we are all alike. We seemingly forget the unity of us all is the strength that we have and binds us together. In an era that's defined by diversity, it's time for us to make a shift in concepts that keep us whole. I want to start by talking about how important our differences are. They're what defines us as individuals and as cultures themselves. Different artworks, concepts, and overall progress spring up from them. It all starts with geography, really, what materials we have at our disposals. Individuals' breakthroughs and contributions are made possible by their diverse perspectives. Even now, with how connected we are as a planet, we still value this diversity. It sparks creativity and promotes varying skills. As we raise the next generation, it's still important to teach them the values of differences and give them perspectives of not just others, but their own cultures, really. Something that has been slowly fading away in recent years. With this, we can foster a world where unity is built through unique contributions. While diversity is a great strength, it doesn't come without a varying amount of pitfalls. Through history, division has sparked conflicts through all of our history. It's the corruption of us, a double-edged sword. Even in the present day, we witness the consequences of emphasizing our differences over our commonalities. When we allow division to take center stage, it fosters discrimination, prejudices, and inequality. It often infuses hostility to one another. It's hard for us to truly unite. We say we want to, but it's got to be our own way, really, and not the others. And those emotional responses that we get that make it hard for us to find objective middle grounds are what hinder us the most. On a personal level, too much division can make you feel as though you're isolated and feeling excluded and missing out. Ultimately, a society that prioritizes diversity risks squandering its own potential. There's a hope we can choose to shift our focus on things that unite rather than divide. And the truth is, we are exactly alike from a first step as a kid to weddings, laughter, tears, compassion, and love to wisdom that comes with age. In times of crisis, we can come together. There is a universal concept of emotions. These are just subtle reminders that beneath the surface, we are all bound to humanity, and there is nothing changing that. But how exactly do we bridge the gap that divides us? We do this by keeping an open mind, opening our ears, as though they are freshly listening to others' new ideas and concepts. Separating this from our emotional response and engaging to an open, respectful conversation. Just by doing this alone calms tensions. Dialogue is the key and allows us and others to land on their ideas to you. Educating yourself on others' ideas, in fact, sharpen your own and give you clarity. In conclusion, it's easy to get lost in the many diverse ideas and the differences that separate us. Remember that it's not the ideas that define us, but the commonalities we share that bind us together. In the end, it's our shared human experiences that keep our capacity for empathy and compassion and our willingness to understand each other. In unity, we can celebrate our differences while also threads us together. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please click that like and subscribe button. This piece I created is called Staying Together in a Strange World, and I wanted to help others recognize that we are all different and we all view each other and we all strive to help the greater good. Thank you guys so much. This painting is a acrylic based piece and it is 24 by 30 on a wood panel, and this bad boy is big, and I can't wait to varnish it and everything and make it look beautiful for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my next video coming up next week, and check out my previous video that was more on the topic at hand.